So we're trying to get the same idea of you learning to get the blade out of the water cleanly by pushing the handle down. Have a look, Hayden. Your blade is dragging underwater. It's not coming up clean.
Take the cat with the leg.
That's better. So what you have to learn to do is push the handle down and let the handle just move along your thighs.
Daniel, you think you need to put your hand down a little bit more?
That's it. You can start looking at your blades and see if they're doing the right thing. They should stay in the air, square in the air, and then enter. Stay in the air, you're touching water, and your handle's just too high all the time. Your handle just has to stay down a little further down the boat.
Okay, try to zoom in. Try to zoom in on the yellow boat here.
Okay, and
Try to deceive. Liam. 4 seat is Emilio.
Emilio, sit up tall at the catch. Sit up big, they're big. You don't want to lose your flight. Just sit nice and big.
Donovan, I can see there that you don't have much body angle at all at the catch.
Okay, we're going to change now to bow and 2 coming in and 3 and 4 sitting out. Okay, bow and 2 come in, 3 and 4 sit out. Bow and 2 come in. In the yellow boat, fellas, let's make sure you're keeping the blades off the water. The whole idea here is to keep the blades off the water between the strokes.
Malcolm, can you steer to shore a little bit?